look at that. Look at that hairline. My name is Kafi and you're watching Vividly Kafi. Hey, so today we're going to be getting into this wig. This hair is from the Cloud9 line from Sensational. It's the What Lace line, and I've been seeing this wig for a little while all over the internet and decided to try it. Drop your comments below, let me know. Do you wear wigs? This is what she looks like straight from the pack, and this is in the color 1B. So it's supposed to have this really natural hairline. Has 2 combs on the top and 1 comb in the middle. Okay, so how I put these on is I go from the front and then I put it back. So that's what that's looking like. I was expecting it to go all the way down because online, on the many reviews I saw, that it said that she's big head friendly. I don't know if they were catering for my size of head because I have a very large head. So it doesn't go all the way down to my ear, just above the ear. And so far this scalp is looking pretty light. Yeah, that's really light. The hair feels like human hair. So I'm gonna cut the lace off and see how we go from there. So the hair is actually pretty soft. And this is the pattern from behind. Wow, so this hairline is looking pretty incredible. I need to darken up this hairline. So I'm gonna come right up so you can see what that looks like. Yeah, that's what that hairline is looking like. And this is the flap. I think this is meant to come all the way here, but as you know, I've got a big head, so that's what that's looking like. Yeah, and it's actually pretty comfortable. It's not feeling really tight on my head. At first I was thinking I would go in and kind of go in between while it's on my head, but I think that would take a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna put some foundation on my brush. So I put the wig inside out on the cap. I'm gonna put the foundation on it this way. I'm imagining this foundation is probably seeping through onto the wig. So look at that. So the next time I think I'm gonna use a sponge. So this is the first time I'm wearing this, and I think it might have been because I was just roughing this hair up on the mannequin head. But it's pretty tangly already. As you know, I'm very lazy and I wouldn't be the type to glue anything down. I just want to take you out of the pack and put you on my head and we'll be done with it. So this right here, I'm not sure what to do with that. If I should pin it down or what. But this is what this is. Wow, that's what that's looking like. I like that you can kind of part it anywhere. Oh yeah, made a big mess there. But wow, this goes pretty far back. Pretty far back. Look at that. Okay. There is some hair coming out of that. That's how it came out. That's what came out so far. I don't know if you can see. The hair is not extremely full, but it's not too thin either. It's like a really nice mix. It's about a 180 density. Don't imagine that you'd be running your fingers through this hair easily, because every time I run my fingers through, I'm getting some, like it's being caught just a little bit. It's really nice and lightweight. I do love that you can flip this hair any direction and you're gonna have like a style. It has a very natural feel and look to it. I really appreciate that. And this is the length of the hair, and I'm 5'7", and this is where the hair reaches on me. It's just a little, actually, it's right on the tip. Let's talk about a few things with this hair. Let's talk about the lace. The lace is very soft. It is a lot lighter than my skin tone, so if you're light skin, it's perfect for you. But seeing that I'm dark, I had to go in with some concealer, and I use my foundation, the Bondi Sway foundation, and I also went over top with my Estee Lauder. So the lace is actually really nice. It has a nice natural cut to it. I did go ahead in the end and put some baby hairs because I'm curious. Let me know what you think about baby hairs. It's not my thing, but it could be. Fiber of the hair is actually really natural feeling. However, I haven't worn this out of the house yet, and you can see like it's tangling just a little bit on the end, but nothing crazy. It is very soft. It is lightweight, so it's 180 density that you're gonna get. If you have an event and you don't have a whole bunch of money to go and spend on a hairstyle and all of that, I would definitely say get into this. You can wear this one. I really like it. I highly recommend it. And I do like that it has some natural layers to it. If you like this video, hit me a thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what you think about this wig. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching.